Hey there, Canadians and soon-to-be Canadians. Let's talk about something super important, the Social Insurance Number, or SIN for short. It's a 9-digit number that's kinda like your special code in Canada. You need it for all sorts of things, like working, getting paid, and accessing government programs. Think of it like a passport to adulting in Canada. Without a SIN, you'll be up that creek without a paddle, eh? You won't be able to work legally, and that means no paychecks. Plus, you'll miss out on benefits you might be entitled to. So yeah, getting your SIN is kind of a big deal. Alright, so you're ready to dive into the SIN game? Great. First things first, you gotta gather up some important documents. It's like packing for a trip, but instead of swimsuits and sunscreen, you need proof of who you are and why you're here. The most important document is your primary document, which proves your identity and immigration status. This could be your study permit, work permit, or permanent resident card. Make sure it's the original document, not a photocopy. You'll also need a secondary document with your name and address on it. Applying for a SIN is easier than making Kraft dinner, I tell you. You've got two options, online or in person. Let's start with the online option, because who doesn't love the convenience of the internet? Head over to the Government of Canada website and find the SIN application page. It's all pretty straightforward, just follow the instructions and fill out the forms. Double-check everything to make sure it's accurate, then hit that submit button. If you prefer doing things face-to-face, you can apply in person at a Service Canada office. Woohoo! You did it! You're officially in the SIN Club. You should receive your SIN in the mail within a few weeks. Once you have it, keep it safe and sound. Don't go sharing it with just anyone, it's valuable stuff. Now that you've got your SIN, you can unlock all sorts of possibilities. Go ahead, apply for that job you've had your eye on. Open a bank account, file your taxes, and access those sweet government benefits. The world is your oyster.